Hey man, you want her to bond with you on a soul-deep level. Not just flirt, not just laugh. You want to trigger something in her primal wiring that says, this is the man I can feel safe with, obsessed with, loyal to. But here's the truth. You'll never trigger emotional bonding by chasing, pleasing, or proving your worth. That only triggers her "he's beneath me" instinct. So what does work? Let me break it down. 1. Lead with calm presence, not eager energy. Women bond with men whose energy calms their storm. Not the guy who's trying to be liked, not the one who's always texting, "Good morning." Instead, be grounded, be still, be rooted in your frame. Your stillness tells her, you're safe here. I'm not seeking validation. I'm already enough. That's what she subconsciously craves. 2. Reveal slowly, stay mysterious. Mystery is emotional gasoline. The moment she can predict you, the game is over. Let her wonder about you. Let her question, who's this guy? What's he thinking? Why do I feel this way around him? She can't bond deeply with a man she's already figured out. 3. Mirror her effort, never overgive. When you give too much too soon, attention, gifts, affection, you overwhelm her instincts. Instead, match her level, reflect her investment, make her earn your deeper layers. Bonding isn't about flooding her with energy, it's about matching, then leading with value. 4. Speak through energy, not explanations. Want to build deep connection? Then stop over-explaining your thoughts and feelings. Let your tone, eye contact, and actions do the talking. That's how emotional creatures like women truly receive you. The less you explain, the more she feels. 5. Withdraw strategically. Disappear just enough to make her miss you. This isn't manipulation, it's masculine polarity. When you give her space to miss you, her emotional attachment deepens. But if you're always available, you become furniture. Let her wonder where you are, what you're doing, and who has your attention. That's when the emotional bonding intensifies. 6. Be her rock, not her therapist. She doesn't want to vent to you like she does with her girlfriends. She wants to feel held, understood, protected. So instead of solving all her problems, just listen, be still, nod, let her feel your unshakable presence. That's the kind of emotional bonding that no nice guy can ever offer. 7. Challenge her emotionally, gently. She bonds with the man who sharpens her, not the one who spoils her. If she acts cold, don't chase. If she tests you, stand tall. If she wants you to fold, smile and stay centered. Emotional bonding grows from respect, not sympathy. 8. Prioritize your mission first. Ironically, the more you chase your purpose, the more she bonds, because your purpose shows her, this man can lead a life. He won't be led by me. She doesn't want to be your everything. She wants to join a man who's already everything to himself. 9. Stay grounded in your standards. Set boundaries without fear of losing her. If she crosses a line, say so, calmly, without anger, without begging. This creates deep emotional polarity because women bond to men they respect, not ones they can walk over. 10. Let her chase the bond too. Here's the final secret. She has to feel like she's earning your emotional depth. She has to feel like she's choosing you. When she invests, emotionally, physically, mentally, her bond grows deeper. Let her work for your heart. That's when she values it.